Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to change email on BetMGM. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar type in betmgm.com. Once you press enter, it will ask you to select your location. So from this list, select your location and then it will take you to this home page. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to log into your account. And if you want to create a new account, you can click on this register button. Once you have your account, click on login button and then it will ask you to enter your login credentials. Once you have entered those, click on this login button. And in case if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link to reset it. Once you are logged into your account, you'll get to this home page. Now, to change your email address, there are two methods. First of all, you can change your email address by yourself. To do so, click on your profile at the top right corner and from this menu, click on account settings. After that, click on personal details. Then it will take you to another page where you'll find the update profile button. If you click on that, you'll be able to change your email address. If you don't get that option, then the second method you can try is go back and then from this menu, click on help center. After that, click on FAQ and customer care and then click on contact us. Now select email and then it will show your email address in this box. After that, on subject, select account details and access. Now describe your problem. You can type in something like this, and you can also include your personal details like identification to prove it's you who want to change the email address. Once you do so, click on this submit button and your application will be submitted. Now they will try to verify your identity, and once you get verified, they will help you change your email address. Once you have completed all the processes, your email address will be changed. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos, and I'll catch you on the next one.